Once you've captured the screenshots, a Snipping Tool pop-up window will present you with a variety of editing options. You can use the ballpoint pen to write or draw. The highlighter allows you to emphasize important elements. The eraser can remove some or all modifications made to the screenshot. You also have the ability to crop the image, retaining a selected area while removing any unwanted parts. If your screenshot contains text, utilize the text tool to extract and easily copy it from the image. The snipping tool can even extract text from an image rendered in 3D letters. Using the undo and redo buttons, you can remove or restore recent changes made to your screenshot. To save your work, click the Save button to either store the screenshot in your preferred folder location. There is also an option to copy the screenshot and paste it into any application like a Word document, email, or WhatsApp message. Explore more options through the three-dot menu, where you can share the screenshot via email or social media apps. You can see that the screenshot on my screen has a border, which helps differentiate it from the same color background, especially when uploaded to a web page. To add this border, navigate to the three-dot menu, access Snipping Tool settings, and enable the Add Border to each Screenshot option. You can then choose the color and thickness of the border. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on Windows 11. Please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel.